Good morning. Today is August 4. We're going to Okinawa. Hi baby! Because it's the celebration of baby Yumi's birthday. Oh, I remember this Tokyo Inn. Diyan ako na-quarantine dati nung first time ko dito sa Japan. Talagang independent siya. Kain muna bago mag-check-in. Hello! Naka-check-in na kami. So, we're going to our gate na. Yeah. Ate, did you see that? An airplane?
Diyan lang ba may kapihan? Oo. Okay, let's go. Go. Okay.
Yeah! What's that? Big airplane?
Yeah.
Mama Jo! You see that? Mite! Say that. So, magka-coffee muna kami and then nakatapat kami dito. Wow! Nakatulog din finally. So yan, nasa gate 2 na kami. At delayed ang flight namin. At almost time na. 2:45 na. Pero delay yung flight. And so far maganda ang panahon. Hi ate.
手伝いが必要なお客様、妊娠中のお客様、2歳未満のお子様連れ
Ate, that's our airplane, no? That's our airplane. Are you excited?
Come to mama.
Yeah, that's our airplane, anak. Love you, mommy.
I love you more.
手荷物の収納方法についてご案内します。小さな手荷物は前の座席の下に。
We're inside the plane already. Hi, ate. Hi. Are you excited? Ito, baby. Tago siya kasi maliwanag. Daddy, kamusta? Ngayon ka na lang ulit mag-airplane. Are you excited?
Medyo nakakabay. Kasi after 7 years, ngayon na lang ulit ako nakasakay ng airplane.
ご案内します。この便は全席禁煙です。通路。
Si Eunice naman ang gising. Tulog ang ate. Eunice. Eunice. Hello, Eunice. Like Peppa Pig? Yes. eh. Orchids pala. Orchids, sorry. Native? Really? We are here in Okinawa. Hello. Ate Celine, look, there's aquarium. Wow.
Careful. Mga aksidente yung mga ganyang kadilim mo.
Hindi na tayo papasa dito, di ba? Hindi naman. Kasi dito ko lang lagay yung gamit ko, doon ako matutulog. Kasi walang patungan doon. Sakit.
Ba't hindi ka dito?
Ayoko ng aircon.
Kahit.
Pasok ko dito.
Dito ka.
Doon kasi